AirPods cutting out is a common problem that many people are experiencing. It usually happens when using Spotify, and it can be really frustrating for users. But don't worry, there are solutions to fix this issue quickly. First, let's go through some important checks to ensure everything is in order. Check the compatibility of your AirPods with your iPhone. Incompatible devices may fail to connect. Make sure your AirPods are genuine Apple products. Third-party or imitation devices can cause connection problems. Ensure that your devices are within a close range of each other. Bluetooth has a limited range, typically between 18 to 30 feet. Now let's move on to the solutions. Turn off the automatic ear detection feature. This feature on Apple devices sometimes malfunctions, mistakenly detecting that your AirPods are out of your ears when they are actually in. To turn it off, go to the Bluetooth menu, click the I button next to your AirPods, and disable the automatic ear detection feature. Reconnect your AirPods by following these steps. 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone and open the Bluetooth menu. 2. Tap the I button next to your AirPods in the list of devices. 3. Click Forget and confirm. 4. Restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the volume and side buttons simultaneously. 4. Release them when the Power Off slider appears. 4. Slide to power off your phone. 5. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on by holding the side button. 6. Now, follow the correct pairing method to re-pair your AirPods. 7. Log out and log back into Spotify. 7. To do this on your iPhone. 8. Launch the Spotify app and click the gear icon at the top right corner of the homepage. 9. In the settings, scroll down to find the Logout option. 10. Confirm the logout process. 11. Restart your phone and log back into the Spotify app. 12. Finally, connect your AirPods and start playing. Reinstall Spotify. If the issue persists, try uninstalling Spotify from your phone, then restart your phone and reinstall the app from the Apple Store. Disconnect your AirPods from other devices. Sometimes, the conflict arises when your AirPods are connected to multiple devices, such as a MacBook. To resolve this, follow these steps on your MacBook. 1. Click the Apple icon on your screen. 2. Go to the Bluetooth menu and select AirPods. 3. Tap the Remove button and confirm the action. Update your iPhone. Outdated firmware can be a common reason for AirPods cutting out. Check for the latest iOS update by going to Settings, selecting the General tab, and navigating to the Software Update option. Install the latest version if available, and consider enabling automatic updates. Update and reset your AirPods. Check for firmware updates specifically for your AirPods and install them. If the problem persists, try resetting your AirPods to factory settings. 1. Place both AirPods in their case and close the lid. 2. Press and hold the multifunction button located at the back of the case. 3. Release the button after 15 seconds or when the status light turns white from amber. 4. This will reset your AirPods. 4. Now, reconnect them to your iPhone by following the proper pairing process. 4. Remove wireless interference. 4. Other devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi signals in the 2.4 GHz frequency range can interfere with your AirPods. 4. In crowded places, especially outdoors, this interference can occur more frequently. 4. If possible, turn off any extra devices to reduce the chances of interference. Remove wireless interference. Other devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi signals in the 2.4 GHz frequency range can interfere with your AirPods. In crowded places, especially outdoors, this interference can occur more frequently. If possible, turn off any extra devices to reduce the chances of interference. If none of the above solutions work, it's possible that there is a hardware defect in your devices. This could be due to continuous usage, accidental drops, or exposure to water. In such cases, it's recommended to contact Apple support and explain the problem. If your device is still under warranty, you may be eligible for a replacement.